the Viper alarm system. We have it installed on my 2016 ZX6R. As you can see, it has the arm and unarm, and the battery's dead. What's up, everyone? For those of you who don't know, my name is Ali from Shahani Motors, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my motorcycle, and not only the motorcycle but the security system that we installed on the motorcycle. So as a lot of you guys know, the shop is here in the city of Schenectady, so a lot of the times I have the bike parked outside on the street in the city, and sometimes it's completely unattended. So I wanted to add something that was going to, you know, give me a little bit more security, a little bit more peace of mind. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Viper Power Sports alarm system. You can see the bike right there looking beautiful. All right, let's get into it, guys. All right, guys, so the alarm that we installed on my bike here is the Viper Power Sports 3121V. Comes with a nice little key fob and everything. So I'm going to show you guys the features that it has for this bike. All right, guys, so there's 3 basic protections that this alarm gives you. So first of all, with the system, once you arm the bike, you can see that we have it wired into the lights, so all the lights flash. The flasher lights lets you know that, hey, the system is being armed or disarmed. So 3 levels of protections that it comes with from the factory with this alarm system. Number 1, we have it wired so that if somebody turns the ignition on without disarming the alarm goes off and it's super loud. So I'm going to arm it again. Next level of protection is shock protection. So this is, you know, if somebody comes in, kicks the car, or kicks the bike, I should say, or, you know, someone shakes the bike, it's going to activate as well, you see? And you can kind of fine tune the levels that you want it at if you don't want it so sensitive. I put mine pretty sensitive, but we actually did do some, you know, trial and error when the weather was nicer. It was at a good point for us. And then there's also a level sensor that's built into this alarm. So I have it tuned to 10 degrees. So if the bike tilts more than 10 degrees, it'll set the alarm. We're going to try to show you that right now. So it's showing now. Yep. So that right there is like, you know, kids getting on the bike and, you know, someone sitting on your bike. You don't want that to happen. So, you know, these are the things that are going to deter that as well. So I actually stepped this up 1 level further. If you want to come over here, Ryan. We actually added a proximity sensor. Now this is a real old school thing that people used to put in their cars back in the day. Now this is a proximity sensor that we added to this setup. And what this does now is you don't even have to touch it, because a lot of people, when they get too close, we have it tuned so that when someone comes like this close to the bike, automatically the alarm's going to come on even if they don't touch the bike. So it's pretty cool. Now, this can be a little bit of a problem. You do have to play with the tuning a little bit to get it just right. We also wired a switch in underneath the back seat so I could just turn it off. Like right now, I turned it off so it wouldn't be kicking in all the time, you know, when I was doing this demonstration. But just say I'm in like a tight area where there's a lot of people, I'm going to go ahead and turn that switch off because I don't want it to be activated unless someone's really touching my bike. Aside from that, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you guys what that proximity sensor works like. All right, guys, so now I turned the switch back on for the proximity sensor. Once the alarm arms, you can see, without the seat cover on, it's way more sensitive, because when the seat is on, it's not that sensitive. We have it tuned for the seat being on. So that's why now the seat's off, so it's really, really sensitive. But with the seat on, probably if you get usually to around here, when you try to kick your leg over the bike, that's when the alarm kicks in. So hope you guys liked this video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. Make sure you like and share this video, subscribe, hit the notifications. And if you got any questions on alarm systems for your power sports, your motorcycles, your ATVs, all of that, feel free to message us. Until next time, it's Ali.